For years, the dairy aisle has been a battlefield of milk alternatives. Almond, oat, coconut, they've all had their moment in the sun. But the true contender, the one with the protein punch that's changing the milk game forever, is soy milk. Forget the watery imitations of the past. Today's soy milk is a creamy, delicious, and versatile beverage that's not just a substitute, but a superior choice, particularly for those seeking a plant-based protein boost. Why soy milk is outperforming the rest? Protein powerhouse. This is where soy milk truly shines. Unlike many other plant-based milks, soy milk boasts a protein profile that rivals cow's milk, packing around 7 to 10 grams per serving. This makes it a fantastic option for athletes, vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to increase their protein intake. Protein is crucial for building and repairing muscle, supporting a healthy metabolism, and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Nutritional knockout. Beyond protein, soy milk is a nutritional powerhouse. It's often fortified with essential vitamins and minerals like calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin B12. These additions make it a comparable, and often even superior, choice to dairy milk in terms of overall nutrient content. Versatility is its virtue. From creamy lattes to delectable smoothies, soy milk seamlessly integrates into a variety of culinary applications. Its neutral flavor allows it to complement. Not overpower, other ingredients. Baking, cooking, or simply pouring a glass, soy milk rises to every occasion. Eco-friendly choice. In terms of environmental impact, soy milk holds its own against the competition. While all agricultural practices have some impact, soy boasts a relatively low carbon footprint compared to dairy production. Opting for soy milk can be a small but significant step towards a more sustainable future. A delicious evolution. Gone are the days of bland, chalky soy milk. Today's options are expertly crafted for a smooth, creamy texture and a subtly sweet flavor. From flavored varieties like vanilla and chocolate to unsweetened options for those watching their sugar intake, there's a soy milk for every palate. Beyond the glass, the impact of soy. The rise of soy milk reflects a growing awareness of the importance of plant-based diets and sustainable food choices. Consider giving soy milk a try. Your body, and the planet, will thank you for it. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, so I can create more helpful tips. Thank you.